Administering 4 or dozens virtual servers at once can be quite a task, and switching from terminal to terminal can be very daunting. It will be very handy if we could have 4 or more servers on one terminal screen, with some options to switch from one terminal part to another. This way we could focus on interactions between those servers, because we got them all in one place. Besides, there are even more you can do with tmux, like tmux sessions, but in this part we will only stick to basics. The most important step in mastering tmux is to learn about tmux shortcuts. tmux is present in all Linux distributions and can be easily installed through a terminal. I guess you all know how to install a package on Linux Ubuntu. First we update our system with sudo apt update, and the next step is sudo apt install tmux. Now we can start tmux. By pressing Ctrl+B and Shift+% key, we will divide our terminal horizontally. By pressing Ctrl+B and Shift+double-quote keys, we will divide our terminal vertically. By pressing Ctrl+B and left arrow, we will move to divide the terminal on the left side of the screen. By pressing Ctrl+B and Shift+double-quote keys, we will divide our terminal vertically. And now we have 4 terminals in one. This can be extremely useful because now we can focus on multiple tasks in the same time. Let's do some more. You can create new screen by pressing Ctrl+B and C. For this demonstration I will activate my top system monitor, and you can see in the bottom now we have 2 screens. One is 0 bash and the other is called one top. By pressing Ctrl+B and 0, I will jump to my screen named 0 bash. As I was mentioned earlier, you can see your terminal screens by looking at the green bar on the bottom. Let's create one more screen terminal by pressing Ctrl+B and C. Now we have 3 screens. Just for fun, I will start my QEMU KVM and libvirt daemon. Those are main components for virtualization. Let's see my virtual machine on this host. I will also pipe this to less command so I can scroll through the list. As you can see, there are 18 virtual machines available. Let's jump to second screen, and after we see our top processes, we can jump to first screen named 0 bash. And then again, for demonstration purposes, back to top processes, continuing to screen number 2 with our virtual machines list. Returning to screen number 0, I will divide this screen to 2 terminals, but first I'm going to show you how to delete some terminal parts. By pressing Ctrl plus B and right arrow, our cursor will switch to the right bottom terminal part. Let's kill our current terminal part. Now we have two terminals. Let's jump to screen number 2 and choose two virtual machines. I will exit from my list and start virtual machines called Client 1 and Client 2. Now let's jump again to screen 0 by pressing Ctrl plus B and 0. Now I will connect to Client 1 server through SSH. I will switch to my second terminal by pressing Ctrl B and right arrow. Again, I will connect to my Client 2 virtual machine. Now I got two connections on one terminal. From this step I can do all kinds of experiments to see interactions between those two virtual machines. This method is great to learn all about networking and plenty more. Those are the tmux basics. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and feel free to subscribe for more.